Hello everyone. So today I'm planning to do straight pour and then swipe with the cell activator. Let's see. So today's colors are these house paints, sample house paints. This is dark brown, I can say. It doesn't say, it says fired earth satin interior color sample, and this one is kind of mustard earthy kind of paint. Doesn't say what the name is, but anyway, you can see light brown, and this is dark green, and then I will use a FolkArt gold.
This is Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose.
And then Artist Loft burnt sienna, and Liquitex basics Naphthol Crimson. Okay, let's begin. And this one I just made kind of aqua green color, and I made it by using teal with the sunny yellow from FolkArt. So let's begin. So this is 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I'm gonna use for that 6.5 no, 5.7 ounce, I guess. So I just marked here, and I keep reusing this cup. So 5.6, approximately 6. So let's begin. So I thin these paints with floetrol to get the right consistency. I didn't need much. So something is there. Let me get that out first. A little bit of white, Artist Loft white, 1:2 floetrol. Then I will use perhaps dark green. And then mustard, burnt sienna. This is kind of the consistency is thinner than others because I was using this for Dutch pour. And then I will use Liquitex Naphthol Crimson. And Amsterdam Rose. A little bit of gold. I don't need it. Red again. Then mustard again. And dark green. A little bit of white. I would like to use just for separation, and then this dark one. This is 5 ounces, and then we can add a little of gold again. And think that's enough.
So here I plan to do the straight pour, but not like regular by standing the cup at the same place, but I would like to swirl it around. Um, so that's what I was talking about. Because we will wreck it in the end anyways, and I think this will give more character to the center. So let's see how it will turn out. I'll take my time in getting all the paint out, so I'll stay with the center, and once I'll see that all the paint is gone, then I'll gently remove the cup from there. So let me just quickly torch it and stretch it. Till then, I will leave you with some light music to enjoy this entire process, and I'll join you back in the end to share the final results with you. As always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you will like this video, and if you do, you will hit like and also subscribe to my channel.
I have created this cell activator by using Amsterdam white, 1 part, and 9 part American floetrol. Let's see how this will work. Okay, where should I start? This is my first time using this, so I don't know how this will go. Yeah, cells are already popping. You know, right now I think I should get some more cells here, but I'm pretty sure once I'll do this in post-production, I will think I should have stopped. But at this time I still feel this area can use some, and here it is, it looks like this cut up. So I'm gonna try it one more time. Let's see. There is no harm in trying. Maximum what will happen. I have to scrape it. But I think this will be good. The cells are there. I have to pop them now. Okay. I just have to wait for a couple minutes and they will pop. I think I like it. I like it. What do you think? Did you like the first one better? Should I have stopped at that time? Or is this better? What I can do is bring you down so you can see. So here's the finished piece. You can see the lacing or cells. So this is from 1:9 titanium white, Amsterdam titanium white to floetrol, and yeah, I think overall it turned out good. Let me know what you think. And like always, if you're still with me, thank you very much for watching and supporting me. I will see you in the next video.